Now, establishing one's own practice. So basically, what kind of practices that one should do. Of course, in the world of meditation, in the world of spiritual practice, there are so many different forms of meditation one can do with one's body, with movement, with one's breathing, with one's position, with one's mind focus. There's so many possible things. But I think it's important for beginner to narrow down your options and focus on what really is important for you. So most of the time, what works for everybody is the meditation, a basic meditation, focusing on one's own body, the connection between the mind and the body, focusing on one's own breath, and focusing on one's own mind. So these are the kind of basic practices that one would recommend. And particularly in this case, we would like to encourage to more focus on your body. Bring your mind from wandering place to here and now, and to your body, in the stillness of your body, and that will be a primary focus choosing your practice in this case.